Hey guys, it's Jaylee. So today I am going to be reviewing the Hi Smile Teeth Whitening Kit. So a couple of years ago, the Hi Smile company actually sent me these, so I just want to clarify that I'm not necessarily sponsored by them in any way now. It's been a couple of years, but I do want to say that this has been the only teeth whitening product that I've been using that I found that works. So I've gone between toothpaste for whitening, I've gone between going to the dentist and getting your teeth bleached. I've done like charcoal, all of that, but this I find to be the easiest and the most effective. I didn't realize it then, but I was getting DMs from people who saw that I was using it, but I couldn't see it because it was like hidden on the side. And I don't really check those, unfortunately, but a lot of people were like, oh, does it work or whatever. So yeah, it's been a couple of years, my bad, but I did want to go over it now because it has worked for me. So what's cool about Hi Smile is that it's 10 minutes and it's not a lot of steps. It's not complicated to use, so you're literally spending 10 minutes a day for 6 days, and then it whitens your teeth in those 6 days. So obviously your results are going to be affected by whether you're drinking coffee every day, whether you're drinking tea every day. So what I'll do is I'll use it and then I'll wait like an hour or two afterwards to drink tea, or an hour or two beforehand before I use this product. So there are different things that you eat and drink a day that stain your teeth. What's cool about this is it doesn't take that long to do and you still get results. So first you're going to open the kit, obviously. And then you're going to attach the mouthpiece to the LED light. Then you're going to take the gel syringe and put the gel onto the front mouthpiece, so where your teeth are going to be, on the bottom and the top. And then you're going to put it in your mouth and press the button and wait for 10 minutes. And what's cool about this is the LED monitor will actually beep when your 10 minutes are up, so you don't have to set a timer. They have literally thought of everything that could go wrong and fixed it. So you don't have to set a timer. It will beep and turn off when it is done, and then after it's done, you're done. And then you clean the mouthpiece because yeah, you don't want to not clean that. And then you're going to dry it, put it away, move on with your life. This is small, it's portable, take it with you traveling, whatever you want to do. It's just 10 minutes a day for 6 days. This really works with your day versus other teeth whitening like kits that will be like, okay, you're putting this strip on your teeth for like 30 minutes to an hour. There'll be this list that you can't eat or drink anything for 2 hours or whatever, but this is actually really easy. So if you're thinking of teeth whitening, and you've seen this on influencers, because sometimes people don't necessarily tell you if it works or not, and then you end up spending this money and you're like, wow, great, I'm upset, and then you kind of just like are salty for life. But no, so I want to let you guys know that this has worked for me. If you're thinking of using it, go ahead, try it. Let me know how it works in the comment section below. Yeah, thanks again for watching. If you like this video, please, please, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, watch my other videos if you want, if you have time. Yeah, thanks for watching.